Unusual indoor plants add a touch of exclusivity to your home, flourishing in shaded areas where most plants fail. Their remarkable leaf shapes, rare textures, and eye-catching hues make them favorites among enthusiasts and interior decorators seeking something special. Let's explore the best and rare indoor plants. Alocasia silver dragon is a striking rare houseplant admired for its dramatic, dragon-scale foliage. Its thick, textured leaves have a silvery base tone with deep green, almost black veins that create a bold contrast and a sculpted appearance. Compact in size, it fits beautifully on tabletops and shelves while still making a strong visual impact. Although it looks exotic, it thrives indoors with bright indirect light, moderate humidity, and well-draining soil. Its slow growth and unique leaf pattern make it a favorite among collectors who value uncommon plants with a fantasy-like appeal. A true gem for any indoor jungle. Alocasia reginula black velvet is admired for its dramatic, velvety foliage that combines deep green-black leaves with striking silver veins. Its compact size makes it ideal for small indoor spaces, especially where a bold visual accent is desired. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers consistently moist but well-draining soil. High humidity supports healthy growth, while overwatering can easily damage its delicate roots. Its slow growth and unique texture attract collectors who appreciate rare, ornamental houseplants. With proper care, it becomes a luxurious focal point, adding richness and sophistication to any indoor plant collection. Anthurium clarinervium is admired for its striking, heart-shaped leaves with bold white veins that look almost hand-drawn against the deep green, velvety surface. Its thick, leathery foliage gives it a sculptural, luxurious presence indoors, making it a favorite among rare plant collectors. This slow-growing species prefers bright, indirect light, warm temperatures, and consistently moist but well-drained soil. High humidity encourages larger, more defined leaves, enhancing its dramatic appearance. With proper care, it produces long-lasting foliage and occasional unique flowers that add an exotic touch to any indoor jungle, making it both a statement piece and a rewarding plant to grow. String of turtles, Peperomia prostrata, is a delicate trailing plant admired for its tiny, round leaves patterned like miniature turtle shells. Its cascading vines grow slowly but steadily, making it ideal for hanging pots or high shelves where the foliage can drape naturally. The plant prefers bright, indirect light and benefits from moderate humidity, which helps maintain its vibrant patterns. Overwatering should be avoided, as its succulent-like leaves store moisture well. With proper care, the plant forms dense, intricate trails that create a unique decorative effect. Its compact growth habit makes it perfect for small indoor spaces and collectors alike. Polka dot begonia, Begonia maculata, is admired for its dramatic, angel-wing leaves decorated with natural silver-white spots that create a striking contrast against the deep green surface. The undersides shine in a rich reddish hue, adding elegance from every angle. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light and appreciates moderate humidity to keep its foliage vibrant and crisp. Its upright, sculptural growth habit makes it an eye-catching statement piece in any indoor setting. With proper care, it produces delicate clusters of white flowers that further enhance its charm. A favorite among collectors, it blends beauty, style, and uniqueness effortlessly. Philodendron erubescens, Pink Princess, is a striking aroid prized for its dramatic mix of deep green and bubblegum pink variegation. Each leaf produces a unique pattern, making every plant visually distinct and highly collectible. It thrives in bright, indirect light, which helps enhance its pink coloration without scorching the foliage. With proper humidity and warm temperatures, it grows steadily, producing long vines and broad, glossy leaves. Its elegant appearance makes it a favorite for interior decor, adding a bold pop of color to modern spaces. This plant rewards patience and care with increasingly vibrant foliage over time. Queen Anthurium, Anthurium varroquinum, is admired for its long, velvety leaves that create a dramatic, luxurious presence indoors. Its deep green foliage, accented by pale white veins, gives it an elegant, regal appearance that makes it a prized plant among collectors. Though demanding in care, it thrives in high humidity, warm temperatures, and gentle, filtered light. Proper airflow and consistent moisture help maintain its impressive leaf size and prevent stress. With patience and attention, this rare species rewards growers with breathtaking foliage that instantly elevates any indoor space. Its majestic beauty truly earns its royal reputation. Hoya carnosa compacta is a captivating cultivar known for its tightly curled, rope-like leaves that twist along thick trailing vines, giving the plant an ornamental, sculptural appearance. The glossy, waxy foliage stores moisture, allowing it to adapt well to indoor environments with moderate light and minimal watering. Over time, mature vines may produce clusters of star-shaped, pink and white fragrant flowers that appear almost porcelain-like. Its slow growth adds to its charm, making each new leaf a small reward for patient plant lovers. This plant thrives best when allowed to dry slightly between waterings and prefers consistent warmth and humidity. Jewel orchid, Macodes petola, is admired for its stunning foliage rather than its flowers. Its dark, velvety leaves are traced with intricate, lightning-like golden veins that shimmer when light hits them, creating a jewel-like effect. This terrestrial orchid thrives in warm, humid conditions and low, indirect light, making it ideal for terrariums or shaded indoor spots. Its small white blooms appear on upright spikes, adding delicate charm, but the true beauty lies in its luminous leaf patterns. With consistent moisture, loose airy soil, and gentle care, it becomes a captivating centerpiece for collectors seeking rare, visually striking indoor plants. Philodendron gloriosum stands out because of its striking heart-shaped leaves and bold, velvety texture. The plant's dramatic white or pale green veins create a strong contrast against deep emerald foliage, giving it a luxurious and sculptural appearance. Growing horizontally along the soil rather than climbing, it develops an elegant, creeping form that enhances its visual impact. Its slow yet rewarding growth makes it a favorite among collectors seeking statement plants with personality. With proper humidity, warmth, and gentle light, it thrives indoors and gradually produces larger, more impressive leaves that make it a true highlight in any curated plant collection. Alocasia zebrina captivates with its striking zebra-striped stems that instantly draw attention, giving the plant an exotic and artistic look. Its arrow-shaped leaves rise elegantly above the patterned stalks, creating a bold silhouette in indoor spaces. The unusual stem markings make it highly sought after by plant lovers who appreciate distinctive, statement-making foliage. Though it prefers moderate light and consistent humidity, it adapts well to indoor environments when its needs are met. Over time, it develops a graceful, upright structure that adds height and drama to plant displays. Its unusual appearance makes it a standout among tropical houseplants. Scindapsus trubii moonlight is celebrated for its sleek, silvery green leaves that seem to glow when light falls across them. The plant's elongated, slightly arching foliage creates a refined, modern look that suits minimalist interiors and shaded corners alike. Its slow but steady growth habit makes it easy to manage, while its tolerance for low-light conditions enhances its appeal for indoor gardeners. The subtle metallic sheen on each leaf adds an elegant touch, and the plant adapts well to shelves, tabletops, or hanging displays. With minimal care needs and striking coloration, it becomes a quietly stunning addition to any plant collection.